Well, it's a good day to be alive, and here's why. Because today is World Paella Day, and in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month and World Paella Day, we have invited Chef Nicolas Lopez from Mercado Little Spain over in Hudson Yards. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me here, and happy World Paella Day to everyone.
You're a very popular guy today.
Absolutely.
You, I see, are eyeballing a lot of things happening here.
See, I'm not a big paella person because I don't like mixing of all the flavor, the seafood and the meats.
Crazy?
But that's me. That's
Okay,
it's a thing. But then when I eat it, I'm fine.
You're
You know what I
happy.
mean? But the thought of it gets. This one is different.
So today you are going to change your mind
Thank you.
about rice and about paella. And yes, today we are celebrating with two paellas, the traditional paella valenciana, which is this one with chicken, artichokes, green beans, saffron, and seafood paella with cuttlefish, shrimps from the Mediterranean Sea coming straight from Catalonia to New York.
Wow.
And well, it's Paella Day, so there's many ways to enjoy paella
Right.
in New York.
In New York. Mercado Little Spain is one of them.
That's one. You can also get an airplane ticket to Valencia and experience paella. That's a little bit more difficult. You can come to Mercado and have paella in our paella kiosk. Or if you are not around New York, you
Yes.
can also go to goldbelly.com and order our new paella
way.
kits all around the country to make paella at home in the most easiest way. This is the
Okay.
way you get it.
Can
So
it,
you
may I try my, it all
Of
comes in here.
course.
It all comes with a bag of rice and a bag of protein.
the bag of rice and the rest of the prep.
Okay.
The only thing you need to do is turn on the
Is turn on-
fire, open the bag,
That's where the power button is.
Open the bag,
put
and you
the
do
bag
this
inside.
first. You could have a dinner party in 5 minutes.
Come on.
In 5 minutes.
No
well,
way.
Actually, in 15, 16 minutes, which
Oh,
is
'cause you gotta
the
do-
time.
Still
Okay.
15, 16. I thought
Add
it was an
water.
all-day event.
In this case, around 3 cups of water. And once it starts boiling, we will add the rice.
You add the rice. So what is in here? This looks like chicken.
Chicken, green beans, artichokes, white beans, saffron, olive oil, and a reduction of chicken stock.
What do you think of this so far? Dale.
It's magic. Is what it is.
Esto es mágico.
Eso es
Yeah,
mágico.
mágico.
And then you put,
And then you put the rice when it's hot. And the only thing you need to do is to wait 15 minutes.
That's it.
Open a glass, open
have
a
a
bottle
glass
of wine.
wait, put on some music,
Good
y ya.
conversation, good friends, family, and that's it.
Okay,
Pie at your home in 15 minutes.
in 15 minutes. Did you know there are rules to eating paella?
No.
I didn't know.
Please.
Oh my God, I see where this is going. You know what happened? Paella in Valencia is like, it's like pizza in Napoli, no? Like,
Okay.
Valencians are the mafia of paella,
paella.
right? So
Yeah.
I have to be very careful about what I say about paella because I have a lot of friends in Valencia, and then
Yeah,
they
they're
call
gonna-
me,
they're gonna
Nico,
come for you."
what did you say about?
You said what?
Yeah, there's rules, no?
Is it true that you eat directly from the paella pan and you don't use plates?
I mean, yes and no. Like, to be honest, you can, at home, in a restaurant, you plate the paella, no?
Sure.
But the thing is, like, if you think about paella, the origin of the paella was, for example, sailors
Yeah.
making seafood paella with whatever they find
whatever
in the
they came in,
net.
yeah.
And then they get around the paella, and then you have to separate. Like, if the three of us, we do like almost like a pizza, actually. Like
And you
our
cut
3
little
slices, and we
sections.
eat directly from the paella pan.
Nelson, get after it, please. Chef
will.
Nico, thank you so much.
Because that's also something
This-
beautiful about
About this
paella.
one.
That
Look at this.
paella brings people together.
You like that?
So we want to get around the paella pan and enjoy
And
the
get
paella
it together. All right, find me another spoon. Let's get after this
There are
one.
no other spoons. I don't know what happened to the
Chef
other
Nico,
spoons.
thank you so much. Happy World Paella Day. Oh my gosh.
Thank you
Check
very
out
much for having
check
me.
out Little Mercado Spain in Hudson Yards.